Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you have read in the title below, I'm going to be doing this DIY tie-dye thing with my t-shirts. I'm so excited for this video. It is so super cheap. Like, this entire DIY is going to be under 100 rupees or maybe 50. So I'm so excited to see what the result is going to be. Also, I'm doing this for the first time, so that's the reason I'm just going to be doing it with 2 t-shirts. My mom is not going to let me do it with more than that, but if it turns out great, I'm of course going ahead and I'm just going to be unstoppable. So yes, now I'm going to begin, and firstly I'm going to show you what are the things that we're going to require, and then I'm going to share the entire process, of course. So yes, if you're interested, please continue watching the video. Also, if you're seeing me for the first time, please take a moment and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Now, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing which you need are t-shirts. Make sure that you're using dark colored t-shirts, and they are cotton in fabric. Also, I'm using old t-shirts. You can of course use old, new, according to your personal preference. As of today, I'm just going to be doing it with these 2 t-shirts I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, so this is the first t-shirt. This is a really very basic plain t-shirt. As you can see, it has full sleeves. So let's see what we're going to do with this. Okay, so this is the second dress which I'm going to do. This is not a t-shirt, this is actually a shirt. Pink color again, full sleeves. So yes, I'm so excited for this one because pink is my favorite color. So fingers crossed. So the second thing which you're going to need are these garbage bags, just to make sure that you do not spoil the entire area. Third thing is of course a bunch of rubber bands, just normal rubber bands. The fourth thing are these hand gloves, so that you just don't spoil your hand. So make sure you have this. Lastly, you're going to need this hero ingredient, which is this Rin fabric whitener Ala. This is very easily available at any local store. So I have a couple of them, but I think for 2 t-shirts, 1 will do it. But let's see. There are a lot of methods of tie-dyeing your t-shirts, but I'm going to go with the scrunchie method. So what I'm doing is scrunching, gathering and getting the whole t-shirt into one place from the center. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the sleeves. You're going to see in a bit. Tie-dyes can never look similar. You can do the exact same thing and it will still look different. So once I've gathered the whole t-shirt, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Make sure that you tie it really tightly so there are no loose ends. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. I'm going to scrunch everything together and then secure it properly with a rubber band. Make sure that you're doing it really very tight. Now for bleaching, first I'm going to place a garbage bag and make sure that you wear your hand gloves. And now with the help of Rin Ala, I'm going to completely coat the t-shirts with the bleach. If you want your t-shirts to be more of white base, you can use more bleach, and if you want less, of course you have to use the less bleach. Okay, so I am done. I have completely done it, and I'm so excited to see what the result is gonna be. Just fingers crossed. I have to keep this for approximately 3 to 4 hours. Let's see how it turns out. And now I'm just gonna give you a little bit of sneak peek to show that already it's, you know, changing its color. So if you can see, it's like kind of changing its color a little bit. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see what's gonna happen. So yes, I'll meet you after 3 hours. Okay, so it's been just 1 hour and look what happened. So it decided to rain. It's heavily raining and I don't know, I just kept it inside in my room, and let's see, I'm going to wait for more couple of hours and then I'm going to see what's, fingers crossed, and I think I'm just going to wait and see what happens now, just hoping for the best. Okay, so I'm kind of happy with the color which it has turned out to be. I do not want it to turn completely white, of course. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you that. So yes, let's go. Okay, so first I'll remove all the rubber bands completely and then start washing the t-shirts really well, because obviously they have a lot of bleach in them, and wash them until the water runs colorless. Then finally make sure that you wash them in your washing machine, dry them, iron them, and here you go.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
So yes, it's the next day, and of course I could not shoot it yesterday because it had to dry and all of that, but I absolutely loved how both the t-shirts turned out to be. I hope you all liked it too. Make sure that you try them. They're so affordable and they look so pretty, so please try them. Just go crazy with the styles. You can just do according to your preference, choose colors and play with it. I hope you all have fun. In case you recreate, make sure that you tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram link is in my description box. Also make sure that you follow me there. And if you like this video, make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, and also please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. As I wrap up my video, I'll soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.